Hey everyone, for this week's portfolio update, I'm coming at you from Santa Monica in Los Angeles, California, where it is Friday the 13th, and it's a little bit spooky in the markets. I'm going to give you a quick 10-second definition of a bull and bear market, which we went over last week. A bull market is like a bull thrusting its horns up, and that's when markets are rising. And a bear market is like a bear swiping its claws down, and that means the markets are coming down. On this Friday the 13th, we've experienced it all. We've had ups and downs this week, but we're going to go and check it out closer. Okay, let's check out IVV this week. As you can see, over the last 5 days, we've had a total return of negative 2.39%. But as I've reiterated this whole time, that doesn't worry me at all. We had a sharp drop here. Check this bad boy out. But as the Oracle Warren Buffett once said, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. And that's exactly what this experiment is about. So if we pop over to the 5-year chart, the market is full of peaks and valleys. And in an ideal world, what gamblers and that try to do is they want to buy here and sell here, and then buy the next dip here and then sell here all times high. But that's too hard to judge. What investors do is we buy the whole time. We buy whenever we can, just top it up. And as you see, the market moves at a constant line upwards. And that's what we want. That's where we really benefit. The people that bought here, yeah, they would have been scared. And I bet a lot of people sold when it was bottoming out down here. But then they missed this massive growth here over the next few months. So what we're seeing here is, yeah, we've got this sharp, like a bear market here. But we're waiting on this next bull run here, which we don't know what the market holds. But over time, it shows generally that it does come. Now let's pop over and see what our Kraken is at. Sorry, the hotel Wi-Fi is shocking. As you can see here over the last week, down 3%. It's similar to IVV in the stock market. We're just going to keep buying. So if I move across, let's check out. Similar trend. The markets are always full of peaks and valleys. Another Warren Buffett line that I really like is the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. And that's exactly what this is all about. It's about staying patient during these valleys here. When the market shows a drop, it's about just holding on and seeing it through. Warren Buffett also once said the best types of investments are ones that you could buy and not look at for 10 years. Because that takes the fear out of it. And if you can take the emotion out of investing in the long term, you'll do well. So let's stay consistent. I'm going to pop across here. I'm going to buy the next $20. Okay, got it. Confirm order. So that's this week's IVV done. And I'm going to buy my next package of Bitcoin. Confirm. And done. Just like that. It's all about creating consistent habits that will sing. And as I've preached over the whole time about this, it's he who gathers little by little watches it grow. And that's exactly what I'm hoping to achieve in this experiment. All right, and that's it. Week 6 done and dusted. $240 of my money invested in this experiment. Now look, I can't control what the market does, but I can control my habits and my consistency. And I'm going to show up every week this year and buy $40, $20 of IVV and $20 of Bitcoin and see what happens over the course of 12 months. Like I said, we're only 6 weeks in, so I'm just getting started. Let me know in the comments below if you're a bit scared of this bear market or if you're still buying and still building your portfolio brick by brick. Remember, he who gathers little by little watches it grow. As always, God bless and have an amazing week.